want. How we started from the back and we ended to the front. Now we got it, and everything reciprocal. I was broke, I was ridiculed. Now I'm straight living, good times for new beginnings. Popping bottles with cuter women. Said a deuce, shorty fiending for some deuce. She just trying to ride this new wave. She just.
What's going on YouTube? I want to shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male and alpha females in the building. You heard. Now what I got here for y'all today is another presentation by GLD. It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. You know what I mean? This is that nice something new from them, or been out for quite some time, a little bit. Let me know what y'all think of it. If y'all like anything from GLD, comment, like, subscribe, click my affiliate link below because it helps me and my channel. You know what I mean? Give me a thumbs up if you can. You feel me? Let me know what y'all think of it. It's one of their new style Cubans with the baguettes on that thing looking crazy. You know what I mean? So without further ado, let's get to the video. What's going on? So like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all today, you know what I mean, is that 19mm baguette, you know what I mean, big, what they call, I forgot what they call it, center set, you know what I mean, by GLD. And this one is brought to you by, you know what I mean, shout out to your boy JQ Woods for hooking me up, you know what I mean, and putting me on. I appreciate you, brother. Go follow my brother JQ Woods on YouTube, J's for Days and Jewelry, you know what I mean. Salute to you, bro. So let's see what they got here for us today. I mean, we already know what he got here for us today, but look at that thing. Look at that thing. You know what I mean? Comes with that good old authenticity card. We already know GLD. Let's put this down 2 seconds. GLD's authenticity card. Nothing y'all never seen before. You know what I mean? If your piece should ever get damaged or tarnished for whatever reason, with this card, you can send it back, get it replaced and or fixed. You feel me? Got a nice tissue in the box. Pull tab for the box. Nice design to keep your jewelry in. Tissue paper. You know what I mean? Look at the box. Got that new good old gold logo. You know what I mean? This is their presentation. Now back to the piece. Look at this thing. Beautiful. You know what I mean? Beautiful. Now, I will say, to be honest to you guys, it's not as heavy as it looks. You know what I mean? It looks really heavy, but it is some weight to it. You know what I mean? And I already know what y'all want to know. Hey, yo, Stevie D, how much is that chain right there? That chain looking crazy. Well, I'll let y'all know right here. This baguette style Cuban, 19mm, white gold plated, you know what I mean? Basic form, basic iteration will cost you $379. You heard. Let's repeat that. Basic form and white gold plating over stainless steel is $379. You heard. You know what I mean? Let's take a look at the thing. Got the GLD on the, you know what I mean, on the clasp. Got the baguette shining like crazy. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And for your diamond connoisseurs or intellectualists, you already know these are not real diamonds. They are baguette CZs. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Who cares? You know what I mean? I don't care, you know what I mean? Because I like it and I buy what I like. So for those of y'all, you know what I mean, who can't afford diamonds, or real diamonds as they say, you know what I mean? Buy what you like. If you like this piece, you know what I mean? Go ahead and cop it. It doesn't look bad, you know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? If you want the real price for this solid gold and real baguettes on this style piece right here, it's going to hit you for $98,689. You feel me? Let's say that again. $98,689 for solid gold and real diamonds. You heard. I don't know about y'all, but I ain't got that kind of money. You know what I mean? And if I did, I wouldn't spend all of it on just one piece. But shout out to GLD. This is a dope style chain. I like it. This is 20 inches, by the way. You know what I mean? 20 inches. And like I said, it's a real good chain, except it's just not as heavy as it looks. Maybe with the prong set chains, the 19mm, you know what I mean? Maybe because of the prongs, they weigh it down a little more. I'm not sure. But this one is a little on the more lighter end of it all. But it's not a bad style chain at all. It's actually one of my favorite styles. And in a future video, I will be comparing it to their own 19mm GLD, you know what I mean, prong set chain, to shine test them and to diamond test them. You feel me? You heard. So let's look at the clasp. You know what I mean? It's the clasp right here. Opens up like that. Take the male end into the female end. Close it. That doesn't appear to come off your neck. Doesn't appear to come off your neck. That doesn't appear to come off your neck. You heard. Look, even got baguettes on the clasp. You know what I mean? With that GLD logo. I don't know how many of y'all feel about that logo. If y'all like the logo on the back, because it might say to certain people whatever their opinions are about the company. But for me, it doesn't bother me because the logo is hot. You feel me? They got good branding. You know what I'm saying? White gold plating. And don't forget, if you can't afford whatever you may want to buy on their site, don't forget that you can use the Sezzle app, which will break your payments into 4 different payments. So for instance, if I haven't already explained it to you guys, and I know that I have, understand with this piece at $379, if you wanted to break it up, they will charge you $95 in your first payment after you make your first initial payment off your product goes. You heard. You know what I mean? $379. Darn near $100,000, you know what I mean? $98,000 if you want it in real solid gold and real baguette diamonds, you know what I mean? Tell me what y'all think of this thing. Like I said, it's a beautiful piece. I like it. Might become one of my favorites. I'm gonna wear it for a while and see what's up. You know what I mean? It's just not as heavy as I would like it to be. But, or as it looks rather, you know what I mean? But it's a dope style chain. Shout out GLD for this one. This one is dope. This is one of their newer pieces that they dropped in the last few months. You know what I mean? And I'm glad to be presenting it. You feel me? Okay, take a look at this thing. Hope y'all like it. Tell me what y'all think about it. This is 20 inches. You know what I mean? I like it. Y'all let me know what's up. You know what I mean? Take a look at it one more time. 1, 2, 3. I'm out.